Load up Blooms. Select the correct location and service type. Example, choose installation service.
Take a look at what we do. Book us at right lower corner. Go straight to comment window, write the installation scope and your price. This step is important. Upload the customer's address and mobile contact. Activate the camera. Take a photo of your bill. Press OK. Crop the photo to show the details clearly. Upload. Next, at the booking calendar, choose the available date and time. Finally, place the order. Our crews will call you before the appointment date to discuss the work scope. Wait for our call. From the Blooms app calendar, commit a time to your customers first. Take time to prepare your bill or receipt. When you have the customer's address and mobile contact ready, book us to reserve our service. Thank you for your time. I'm Mr. Blooms, and cheers.